what we are getting to know as a security alert where a tiffin bomb and 4 hand grenades that have been recovered from Punjab's Gurdaspur district. What is being said by the police that they have now registered a case against unidentified people and have initiated investigation into the incident. Now this is coming across as a security alert there where the police has made this recovery of this explosives in a village in Salimpur, Afghana in Gurdaspur, where these tiffin bombs and 4 hand grenades that have been recovered by them. We are looking at not for the first time such recoveries that have been made of tiffin boxes, especially in Punjab along the international border and those villages there. Let me go across to Amandeep now. Amandeep, this has been yet another recovery of tiffin bomb and hand grenades in Punjab. What more do we know of the security alert? Amandeep will be back with us in just a bit, but this is in a terror bid that has been foiled by our forces with the recovery of the tiffin bomb. The pictures there on your screens is a tiffin box with a bomb inside that and 4 hand grenades that have also been recovered. And against unidentified people, a case that has now been registered by the police. Investigation is underway, we are told. This recovery that has been made in the Gurdaspur district of Punjab, where a tiffin bomb and 4 hand grenades have been recovered by the police. They're not for the first time there that such a terror bid that has been foiled by our forces, especially Punjab being the border state there. And along the international border, we're looking at such incidents frequently happening now. Amandeep, what more details can you share?
Well, Amita, the most important part of this entire recovery is that these bombs and tiffin bomb has been recovered 2 days after that recovery of 1 kg of RDX from the same area with arrest of 1 person. And in fact, when the Punjab is pole-bound state and sharing 600 kilometers of border with Pakistan, and even these areas, Gurdaspur, Batala, Pathankot, these are the border sharing areas, and the recovery was made from Salimpur, Afghana village, and that is entirely located on the international border. So that is the worrisome situation. When we just had a word with the senior police officials, they say revealed the entire information that during a routine patrolling, when police was patrolling after the RDX recovery, they were patrolling in the nearby international border villages. So a polythene that was placed on a roadside, and these bombs, hand grenades and tiffin bomb was completely packed in that. And in the preliminary investigation, it reveals that somebody has dropped that polythene, that packet of these grenades and tiffin bomb there, and somebody supposed to pick that to materialize somewhere else, to result some kind of incidents. These explosives will be used in some kind of incidents. So this is the preliminary investigation. But the most important part is when the Punjab is pole-bound state, and every second day there are certain kind of public rallies are happening. And meanwhile, these recoveries make the police worrisome, make the national security worrisome, and even the BSF, Punjab police, they are coordinating with each other and on every part, just because on international borders these kind of recoveries at this point in time is very much worrisome for Punjab. Now police is investigating the matter, that who are on the Indian territory, who are receiving this weapon consignment from the Pakistan, and what is the purpose, with whom they are linked. Either it is a kind of terrorist activity, or they wanted to use it to create some kind of panic for in the public rallies or the pole-bound rallies. They are trying to identify it. Police is now in touch with a lot of agencies, and even they have started searching the nearby areas also. They started questioning the locals also, that how these grenades and tiffin bomb has reached there, who all are aware about this information, and who all are having the shoddy backgrounds, who are involved into the similar kind of activities. They are also being questioned at that point in time. Yes, Amita.
All right, Amandeep, for the moment, thanks very much for joining in. So 4 hand grenades, 1 tiffin box bomb that has been recovered by the police. They're very close to the international border there in Gurdaspur district of Punjab, where a terror bid that has now been foiled by our forces. All right.